Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the image color on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Navigate to your document or design on Affinity, and then guys, what you want to do is insert a photo or image first. To do that, navigate to the vector studio on the top left, choose the place tool here, navigate to the file on your device. As you can see, I'm using this logo here in JPEG file format, and position it on your canvas. So left click into it, and then here guys, you will see the color tab. Click into it and choose that color wheel to adjust the color. You can rotate it, as you can see, to find your preferred color, or you can also click into the triangle to find a specific shade of the color or tone. And as you can see guys, that's how the color of the image changes. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.